So guys, I'm back again with another video, and today it's Subway Surfers Part 2. I played this in between this episode and the last episode. So yeah, let's get under my covers. I repeat, I'm under my covers. Go check out all my other gaming videos that I've done earlier today, because I downloaded these apps this morning. They are so good, but I do have one on my iPod that lets me use Facecam, which I'll probably use. What? Alright. Load. Hurry up. Hurry up. No Wild Wednesday. I don't care. God. What is up with those people? What is up with those peeps? Is Frankie Bleak? No. Wow! Are you kidding me? Oh my god, that is so nasty. That is nasty. Put the magnet, and then below the magnet is a sign that will defeat you. That is not nice. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I don't like that. Sir. Okay, just put it on my bedside table. Alright, let's go. Third go. 1 minute in the video. Alright, I kind of want to... Alright, I'll just land on a train. Alright, double coins. Double coins. Get as much coins as we can, guys. Get as much coins. And it's gone. And it's gone. Shout out to Skills Kid, because he gave me the idea for that. Ah! That was so close. Nope. No, man. That's not nice, is it? Alright, one more round. One more round. And I'll wrap up the video. God. I wouldn't be able to run for this long, by the way. I'm skinny, but I eat the most unhealthiest foods in the world. Is word of the week Nick? Because, like, Saint Nick. Is that why? Bang! Bang, bang, bang. I saw that, Kay. Yes, I get a prize. Jeez. The question is, will I get a record? Probably. This is probably going to be my record. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Skills. Yes, save me. Ha! Oh, I thought that would make me fly. Oh god. I feel so dumb for that. Alright, what's my prize? Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna watch an advert just for your guys' sake. So I can double up my coins. And you guys don't have to watch it. That's the good news. So please like and subscribe. And bye!